knows you best. Try to open your mind as a little child that questions everything and wants to just have fun.
It's like we all deserve to be our true creative selves, to really plug into our true nature. It says, never mind the cracks, that's how the light gets in.
Whether you sell burgers, whether you take pictures, whether you draw pictures, whether you tell stories, whether you cut hair, all believe in what you do. You'll ultimately be busy enough to have a good life and have a good business,